Hi and welcome back to MRTV. In this video I'm checking out the Pimax Crystal Super Micro OLED module. And yeah, I've already established in my last video that it's the best visual quality I've ever seen in VR. 4K Micro OLED panels from Sony and the best pancake lenses I've seen so far. So for Microsoft Flight Simulator, absolutely the best headset that you can get right now. So in this video, I want to check out the controllers. I want to check out the tracking. I want to see if I can, play something like Crossfire Sierra Squad, just to find out is it also usable for first-person shooters. And this game is just perfect to do so because there's lots of aiming through the sides. And yeah, let's see how this inside-out tracking holds up. That's what I want to do. I hope that you enjoy this video, so stay tuned because all of this goodness is coming up. Yes, so let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. First of all, I want to let you know the blacks are indeed perfect. Yeah, so wow, it is just as if just like what you hope for. Wow. Wow, this is such a good game. This is such a good game. Wow. Crossfire Sierra Squad.
Watch out for launch shots.
If you're wondering... Oh no, I was killed. Yeah, great. No, I was not killed. I was not killed yet. I have to wait here. So if you're wondering what kind of game is this, it's Crossfire Sierra Squad. And it's really good. Oh yeah. Let's aim through the sides here. Got him! Oh no. So, okay, how to use this. Here we go. So yeah.
RPG.
I think that this is usable. Without a doubt.
Oh, sniper.
Oh yeah. It is usable, yes. But I must also say that I've seen better inside-out tracking. And why would I say so? Wow. So yeah, let's get this one here. So yeah, I can aim through the sides. But there are like little imperfections, like now for example. Yeah, there are little imperfections that I don't see with the Quest 3 or also the Play for Dream. So this is usable. So first of all, like the visuals, wow. Like I have played this game also on the PCVR 2. Yeah, it's good, right? But it obviously it's not as good as this. I've also played it on the Play for Dream where it looks already like so good. But yeah, this is simply wow. These are the best visuals. These are the best visuals in any VR headset right now. Nice.
Watch out for launch shots.
Oh. Wow. Oh no. That's it. I'm done. Oh no. Yeah, anyways. Oh yeah, the black now. It's perfect black. Yeah, perfect black. And here now, there's very little glare. Very, very little glare. It's wow, it's so good. Yes. So, wow, it's just so fun to see the graphics here. It's, oh, good. So yeah, you see, yeah, you can play first-person shooter games, but I have seen better. For the tracking, I've seen better. So the lighthouse faceplate, for those who really want to play competitive without any frustrations. Yeah, here now, for example, why it's not perfect. It cannot come soon enough. Yeah, so with the lighthouse faceplate, then you can get lighthouse tracking, and then you can use Index. Yeah, now.
Sniper!
Where's the sniper? So with the index controllers, then you have like perfect tracking, and then you won't have any problems. Is this still enjoyable? Yes. Yeah, since the graphics are just so good. Yeah. So Pimax, they have already improved the tracking. Like they're still improving it. Yeah, so they're improving it all the time, but it is still not on the same level like Quest 3 or even the Play for Dream. They do Play for Dream. They're doing just such a great job. With their controller tracking. Yeah. Yeah, but still, this is just this is just such a fun experience here. Wow! Oh my god. Wow. This is just such a fun experience since it's looking so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. For simmers, it's a must. For simmers, this is a must, right? Who don't need to use the controllers. But as you can tell, they are usable. Just they're not as competitive as the index controllers, that's for sure. Woo! But let's play a bit more to show you.
They're protecting something that looks like a container. Could it be?
Well, let's get it and take a look.
Crossfire Sierra Squad. Wow. Eliminate the black. Oh, I don't have. Let's take this one here. Ah! Oh, I'm nearly dead. But okay, that was good.
Chief, a helo is approaching.
Oh, helicopter approaching. Yeah, it is okay. It is okay. It is okay. It's like, it's not a showstopper. So especially if you want to play something like Half-Life Alyx, no problem at all. But even, yeah, as you can tell, even like a shooter like this, you can... No! You can play it, but sometimes... Wow, perfect shot.
RPG.
As you could tell, I could get this guy on the roof, but still, it is not as good as others. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, let's get this guy here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, overall acceptable. If I would have to give it like a rating, like 10 is the perfect, like Lighthouse, and 1 is like it sucks, it's unusable. This is probably a 7 or like 6.8. Yeah, 6.8. Let's say 6.8. So competitively, I wouldn't want to use it. For fun, yes. But still, it could be better. It could be much better. Yeah. Okay, good. That is good enough, I think. So,
Other helos are inbound too.
so yeah, that's my conclusion. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet. And tell me in the comment section, what other games do you want me to try? What other games you want me to try with the Pimax Crystal Super Micro OLED? I'm looking forward to read your comments. Until next time, bye bye.